A detailed explanation of thermal energy examples. Any object that radiates heat and can transfer generated heat to other bodies has thermal energy. The above listed thermal energy examples are explained in this section. Solar energy. Solar energy is the source of all energies. Sun radiates thermal energy, which keeps the whole atmosphere warm. Many activities on the Earth take place due to thermal energy radiating from the sun. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is the intense heat in the Earth's crust, which tends to flow continuously outward deep inside the Earth. The generated heat in the primary core of the Earth is in the form of the decay of radioactive elements. Ice melting in a glass of water. If you put ice in a glass of water, the water gets a little colder, and ice begins to melt. In this case, the thermal energy of the water is transferred to the ice, so it begins to melt. Baking in an oven. The oven is used for baking the food products. When you turn on your oven, the thermal energy created inside the oven makes the food be baked. A cup of hot chocolate. The heat from the heater is one of the best thermal energy examples. The heat radiated from the heater helps to keep the surroundings warm. This is most commonly used in cold countries. A cup of hot chocolate. If you pour hot chocolate into a cup, the thermal energy of the hot chocolate is transferred to the cup also, making the cup attain thermal energy. The heat from the ocean. The thermal energy of the ocean can be exploited by knowing the temperature difference between shallow and deep water. Ocean thermal energy conservation is a new technique that promotes the proper utilization of the heat from the ocean. Fuel cells. The fuel cells consist of thermal energy due to chemical reactions. The chemical reaction between the two electrodes is intended to produce charged particles, generating heat. The heat thus produced by charged particles can be further harnessed for future use. Barbecue grills. The barbecue grills can generate thermal energy when the propane is burnt. These grills can cook the food items from the radiated heat from it. Computers, when they turned on. When the computer system is turned on, the components inside the computer heat up because thermal energy is transferred to the components. The heat thus generated must be cooled down so that a small fan is installed inside the system. Burner of the stovetop. The stovetop gas burner is the source of thermal energy when it is hot. Anything placed on the stovetop acquires heat and becomes the source of thermal energy. Fire from the matchsticks. When the matchsticks strike over the side surface consisting of red phosphorus, binder, and glass powder, the sticks catch fire, which has a huge amount of thermal energy. Automobile fuels. The automobile fuels such as gasoline have thermal energy when it is ignited for internal combustion. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.